I respect to the school principal, my English teacher, that this is school, and all my beloved friends here. Good morning. Well, my name is Wei, and 10 years old. I studying grade 4 at this school. Today I'm very honored and excited to be here and talk about a special topic. My topic is elephant from South Africa. South Africa is home to many amazing animals, like the African elephant. Elephants are the biggest land animals on earth. They are big and gray elephants. Have long nose, big ears, and 4 legs. Their noses are called wings. They use them to drink, wash, and for many other things. Thank you, sir.